Welcome to our comprehensive guide on silver coins. Caring for your silver coins is essential to maintain their value and appearance. Handle them with clean hands or gloves and store them in a cool, dry place away from sunlight using airtight containers. Cleaning should be minimal and gentle, using a mild soap solution and avoiding abrasives. When it comes to Baird and Co silver bars, a popular choice among collectors, the same care principles apply. Avoid touching them with bare hands, keep them in original packaging or protective cases, and regularly inspect for tarnish, storing in a dry, cool environment. Finding silver coins can be a rewarding hobby. Check your change, visit coin shops and shows, explore online marketplaces, and even try metal detecting in historical areas. Diversifying your search methods, such as buying coin rolls from banks and joining coin collecting forums, can increase your chances of success. To identify silver coins, look for pre-1965 US coins. Perform a magnet test since silver is non-magnetic. Weigh the coin and do a sound test. Silver coins produce a distinctive ringing sound when tapped. Preserving these coins requires a climate-controlled environment, using archival quality holders to protect from air and moisture. Avoid cleaning unless necessary and handle with gloves. If you own silver coins, you have several options. Collecting offers historical value and personal satisfaction. Investing can diversify your portfolio, and selling can be profitable if you research market prices and choose reputable dealers. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy and benefit from your silver coins for years to come. Thank you for watching and happy collecting.